Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to the official PowerBelt help and support guide. In this instructional video, we are going to demonstrate exactly how you can process an automated robotic analysis. To begin, I currently have the new project tab open on my screen. Within this project, I am going to open the new analysis tab and then select the value analysis option. Finally, you will need to provide a name. I think I will select the automatic mode. This tab shows the types of videos we can process and any current limitations. Check back here from time to time as the limitations will be gradually adjusted, and we will be enabling a wider and wider range of work. I am going to be uploading 3 separate videos of the exact same surgical operation. These represent 3 distinct and unique versions of the procedure, and I will utilize them to demonstrate 3 different ways that you can effectively work with AI-driven analysis. It is absolutely vital that you do not close this page. I am currently in the process of uploading a large batch of these videos. You'll find it incredibly useful once you've recorded 20 or perhaps 40 videos, capturing 40 distinct operations from a single production line. You simply upload them all at once, run the automated analysis, and then head home for the evening. By the next morning, you will have the complete, comprehensive analysis that you require for your work. Of course, alternatively, you could choose to work by recording just one video, processing it, then recording the next one and processing that one as well. This one, please don't worry at all, because the entire process can still be cancelled or modified at any time. We haven't actually begun any of the work yet. We have simply uploaded the video file so that the PowerBelt system is aware of it. In order to successfully run the robotic analysis, you are going to need to have some credits available. At this moment, I have a total of 1,430 credits currently loaded. You are able to top up your credit balance by using your personal payment card, or alternatively, you can write to us and we will be happy to send a formal quote to your purchasing department. Once we have received your payment, we will add the credits to your account and you will be free to use them without any restrictions whatsoever. If you would like to take a look at your billing statement, you can simply click on it, and right here you will find all of the individual items exactly as they were processed within your application. So let's return to the example we were discussing. I have 3 videos uploaded to the system. First, I need to configure the specific model type. After that, I'll go ahead and set the speed. The standard is preset and predefined, and it is sufficient for the typical situations we encounter in the industry. If you have extremely slow, long cycles where you are screwing for 10 minutes and nothing interesting is happening, select slow. We could potentially reduce the quality settings of our model, but you would be paying significantly fewer credits. You are, of course, welcome to utilize our fast option. I recommend it for scenarios where your cycle times are around a minute. These are typically fast-paced assembly lines or rapid picking movements where you need to switch between tasks every 2, 3, or 4 seconds. Use ultra fast for extremely short cycle times, under 10 seconds. Every second counts. In that case, use this level of precise imaging. The more advanced the model you use, the more credits your analysis will cost. And conversely, of course, the lower the model you use, the lower the costs will be for you. And the second parameter is the number of operators. Set the number of operators that will be in your video. Well, you see, the more operators you choose to include, the higher your total credit consumption will be. Our system automatically detects the number of operators in your analysis, and this option is mainly provided so that you can get a clear estimate of how much the entire analysis process will cost you. For the third part, we are going to need to insert a specific work instruction. Now, for the first option, I am not going to insert any instructions at all. I will leave it exactly as it is and allow PowerBelt to perform its task entirely on its own. As for the second video, I'll insert a simplified prompt where we'll have 3 or 4 possible pieces of information. What I, as an analyst, should consider value enabling, what I consider non-value added activities, and what I consider necessary activities. You can list material numbers or names here, and then the analysis will better speak your language. You can provide a brief description. You have the ability to save every single description that you create as a reusable template. I have already gone ahead and prepared a template just like this one, and I have the very first option ready for you right here. I am going to draft a brief description of 1 or 2 sentences, and I have all the necessary information right here regarding what I personally consider to be losses. For example, the operator waiting around, searching for components, picking the wrong part, and then having to fix it, and so on. As for work that provides added value, I would consider things like component assembly, the screwing process, and so on. So I will go ahead and confirm this, and the entire saved prompt will be inserted right here, and PowerBelt will build upon it, ensuring that we effectively meet all of your requirements. The third option I have available is to utilize a more advanced model. I am going to utilize the fast model because I am looking for a very high level of precise accuracy, and then I will go ahead and insert my second pre-prepared prompt directly into the work instructions. I have gone ahead and copied out the entire work procedure directly from the official work instructions, and I have also put together a detailed breakdown of all the specific activities that I personally consider to represent the different types of values. I'm going to insert it into the system, and now I find that I have 3 distinct settings available for 3 separate executions of the exact same task. Now let us proceed by scrolling down. You will need to select your preferred language. In my particular case, I would like to perform this in English. Well, the first video is going to cost me 1 credit, the second video will set me back 2 credits, and the third video will also cost me 2 credits. In total, once everything is rounded up, it will cost me 6 credits altogether. Please note that this is just a rough cost estimate, and it is something that you can actually influence. Please note, this is not the final cost, and PowerBelt will gradually refine this calculation model. Once we have big data from all our users, we will be very accurate. At the moment, we are only roughly accurate. All right, everything is ready to go now. The estimated time for all of these analyses is 12 minutes. I am starting the analysis process right now, and I know I can go grab a coffee and return in 10 minutes. So after having had a little bit of coffee to wake me up, we have now finished processing all 3 of the analyses, and I'm going to go ahead and take a much closer look at the results. You are going to need to re-record all of the individual videos, and we can go ahead and get started right about now. So, please feel free to sit down and review the entire video at your own pace. You can also read the subtitles right here. In the event that you should ever decide to completely alter the current situation, like for example, right over here. I would even go so far as to suggest that if I am being a bit of a slacker, I could simply mark this specific activity as red. And that would be the only correction I would need to make throughout the entire program. If these red marks happen to appear here, it indicates that something is fundamentally going wrong. Or perhaps there has been a serious breach of our work discipline, for instance. Hidden reworks and other similar sorts of things. Well, if you're interested in seeing exactly how much these analyses cost me, I can scroll back through my billing history for you. You'll see that in the end, they cost 2.7, 2, and 3.2 credits. So when you take everything into account, it ends up totaling approximately 4.7 and 7.9 credits that I ended up paying for these 3 specific analyses that were made available to me right here. We hope you enjoy working with these value analysis, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day, and we hope you continue to stay productive with PowerBelt.